Hello friends, today's video is another gift idea video. It doesn't have to be just gift idea. It can be for you as well. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with Colleen Rothschild. You all know, if you've been watching me for a while, my most favorite of all hair masks comes from Colleen Rothschild, and she does have some products that I use on a regular basis. So I thought I would just share some of the products that maybe you don't hear everybody talking about. And because it is the holiday time, we are looking for ideas for other people. And some of these will be perfect for that. But then again, one for you, one for me. All right, so let me get this out of the way first. Colleen Rothschild is having a great sale. From 11/29 till 12/01, she is having her Cyber Week. It's her Cyber Monday deals and Giving Tuesday. You get to take off 30% off, and I will put the code below for you that you will use to get the 30% off. So let me start by sharing. This is one of Colleen's newest products, and I'm almost done with the bottle. I love this. I actually did a video showing how I use the gua sha tool and the CBD oil from Colleen Rothschild. This is fabulous, my friends. So this here has become my best friend because I have a little bit of rosacea on my cheeks, and my skin with menopause has gotten a little bit sensitive. This CBD oil, I have to admit, the smell is a little bit off-putting to me, but I just roll with it because I really do like the product. And when I'm using the gua sha tool, I will put a little bit of this in with my other oil, and I've been using the Face Number 9 oil from Colleen Rothschild. And I just love the two of them together. But when you use a tool that manipulates your skin, you sometimes bring out the redness, which is really great because that just means enhanced blood flow to the area. Enhanced, that's what I just said, enhanced to the area. This is just really a nice combination, but you don't need the gua sha tool. Oops, don't break. I love my tool. But the oil, it is fabulous. And again, this is the Colleen Rothschild CBD oil. I will get another bottle of this. Something else new, my first time trying from Colleen, is the Beauty Sponge. This is beautiful. This sponge, there's something about it. It really does apply makeup beautifully. I hope they still have this on the site. I love it. And yes, I use it damp. It's what I use to apply my makeup today, and it goes on flawless. So her sponge, beautiful stocking stuffer for a young girl or someone that just loves makeup, or yourself. Yep, I'm not going to leave you out of anything. So on my skincare tray, these three things are there. The Colleen Rothschild glycolic acid peel pads with blue agave. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, with menopause, my skin changed a lot. It became very sensitive. These I do not have a problem with, and I know they just came back in stock. These sell out like crazy, and all they are is a little pad, pre-measured, so you don't need to worry about pouring it on a cotton, and you just go ahead and swipe it. I do it my neck, my chest, behind my ears, everywhere, and I really do love them, and I have no irritation with them, so that's a great product. Of course, her cleansing, Radiant Cleansing Balm, everyone talks about. It really is a beautiful cleansing balm. I'm almost done with this one. It does break down all makeup on your face, and I do not have a problem with it leaving residue on it. It's water soluble, it emulsifies, and it just rinses off really clean. So I do love her cleansing balm as well. And one of my most favorite moisturizers of hers is the Colleen Rothschild Extreme Recovery. There's something very different about the texture of this cream. It just goes on very, I don't know, it has a very wet slip to it, and I just love it. But it really is the perfect moisturizer for me. Just love it. Colleen's products do have a little bit of a scent, but nothing that's obnoxious. This is considered a luxury line, and everything about it is luxurious. Really beautiful. So let me move on. Now, if you're interested in maybe gifting someone or trying for yourself, now's the time at 30% off. She has a little travel kit that gives you her shampoo, my most favorite mask, and a small bottle of her oil, which I absolutely love. It's not an oil, she calls it a serum. And this is, how cute is this? This is the little jar of mask. And then it also comes with a little bottle of her shampoo, which is really, really nice. And you get this small bottle, and this is the Smooth and Shine Hair Serum. I love this. After I blow dried, I just put this all over my ends, and my hair has not been cut in a very long time, and it still looks very healthy, my friends. And then you also get a wide tooth comb, and you all know I so believe in the wide tooth comb. Another great kit to introduce someone to Colleen's products or to try them yourself. She has a beautiful travel kit, and the bag is gorgeous. Really, really pretty. And inside you get, it comes wrapped like so. And then inside you get all of these beautiful little trial sizes. You get the Sheer Renewal Cream, which is very, very nice. I also have this. You get I'd call this a deluxe sample of the Face Oil number 9. This is the oil I like to use with my gua sha tool, and her tool is the only one I have ever seen that comes with a handle, because if this drops, it will break and then you can't use it. Having this handle really secures it while you're using it. So I do like her gua sha tool the best. But it comes with the number 9 oil. You get her muslin cloth. Let me get these little jars out. You get her muslin cloth, which you use with your Radiant Cleansing Balm, and this is a very nice size that comes in here. And then you also get the Dual Enzyme Polish. This is a fabulous exfoliant. I absolutely love it. You can buy any of these on their own now and get 30% off. You just don't have to get the kit. You can buy anything on the site for 30% off. But I love that. And then the Extreme Recovery Cream. You can try this. And you also get her detox mask. This is the Clarifying Detox Mask. I have to admit, this is the only mask of Colleen's that I have not used. So I think I did get a large jar of this to try, but this is great for the T-zone area, especially if you're someone who's having a pore issue. Maybe you're a little drier elsewhere, but your T-zone gets a little oily on you, or you'll see that you maybe getting a little congestion there or blackheads. This detox mask would be great to put through the T-zone area to do its work. So this is another beautiful gift to think about or to try for yourself if you've always been interested in Colleen's products. Colleen also has body products. My absolute favorite is this one here, and this is the Honey Vanilla Body Scrub. They come in beautiful packages, and the container itself is beautiful. Easy to squeeze. It's not one of those containers that if you have arthritis in your hands, it's going to be a problem for you. This is beautiful. I love this scent the most. And there's also the Creamy Body Oil Wash. This is beautiful, a very soft, luxurious, creamy oil cleanser for the body. Beautiful. And the packaging is just gorgeous on these. And then we have the Honey Vanilla Body Butter. This is gorgeous. The jar is beautiful. And the cream is just beautiful. It's a very thick, I love the smell of this. It smells like her hand cream. I just love it. And her hand cream is fabulous as well. Very, very nice hand cream, not greasy. And then she came out with this scent, which is gardenia based, and it has all the same products, but this one is the Tahitian Manoi. You get the body scrub, and the packaging is just beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me get my face out of there so it focuses. It's just so pretty, isn't it? The packaging for this is the same, except for this one has little green gardenias all over it, where the other has the little bees for the honey. But this is just really, really pretty. Again, so easy in the hand to work. And again, the Cream Body Oil Wash. I'll just show you what that looks like. Has a little bit of a green tint to it, and again has the green gardenias all over it. And then of course the body cream, which comes in the jar with the little green, I think for gardenia. Maybe not, but it's beautiful, whatever it is, and just really, really pretty. I like the simplicity of it, the clean lines of it. It just really is a pretty product to put on in your bathroom, on the counter, anywhere. But those are just a couple of ideas for you. The sale runs from November 29th until December 1st. It is their Cyber Week, Cyber Monday Deals Giving Tuesday. 30% off with this code right here. And I will also list and link everything that I talked about below. Colleen has a complete line of skincare products for all skin types. She has her hair care products, and now she's venturing out into, little things like this. This sponge will not disappoint you. All right, my friends, I'm going to let you go. Everything will be listed and linked below for you, my friends. So I'm going to let you go. I would like to thank Colleen Rothschild again for collaborating with me. It is one of my most favorite collaborations to do because I use so many of the products and just love them. Don't forget, on your way out, subscribe. I'd love to have you as an ageless beauty. Hit that bell for notification. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy. And go ahead and treat yourself. Why not? Love you guys. BISOUS.